Hello everyone! So in this video, it's just an introduction to computers, what they do, what their history is, and just a brief explanation of how they work. So let's get into it. So what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that is able to store data and information using binary form. Binary form is a type of code where a certain combination of ones and zeros tell the computer to conduct a certain task or function. So basically, as you can see on the picture in the right, the repetition of zeros and ones represent a task that the computer has to do. For instance, if you say 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, that might mean that that might be telling the computer that it has to open a website or something like that. And there's a picture of a computer on the left. So what does a computer actually do? A computer will allow you to store pictures, videos, search the web, access different programs, play games, video chat, look up websites, and many, many more things. This device is much more advanced than your cell phone, as it is able to access many more programs such as Microsoft, Photoshop, and Sketchpad. It is also able to save files of videos, pictures, slideshow presentations, music, and documents on your computer for you to open later. So there are many parts of the computer that let it work, and I will get more into this in future videos as it gets very technical. And here you can see that there's a screenshot of the file, what the file looks like, where you can save all your work. And also on the right, a screenshot of what the program Photoshop looks like. And then obviously you can use Google to search things and browse the internet. So you might see many different brands of computers, but they all have the same or similar setup, where one computer may specialize in one part, such as gaming, and another brand of computer may specialize in something else, such as storage. There are many technical details that goes into how a computer works again, which I'll get into later videos. So you can see that there's the Apple computer, there's the HP computer, and there's a Dell computer. They all basically perform the same tasks, but again, one might perform a task better than another. Okay, now within the category of computers, there are two types. One type is the desktop, as shown in the picture on the left, and it is not a portable device, and it is much bigger, and because of this bulkiness, the desktop needs more power. A desktop also has a separate keyboard, which is attached from the monitor, which is the screen, and in some computers, it is connected to the monitor by a couple of wires. The other type of computer is a laptop. The laptop is portable and is much slimmer than the desktop, which makes it all the more portable. A laptop also has a keyboard built into it. As for the functions each carries out, the desktop is able to accomplish tasks that have more power as compared to the laptop. Okay, now for the computer's history. Throughout history, there were many ideas put forward relating to the computer, and this is what makes it hard to say when the first computer was actually made. The first mechanical computer, as shown by the picture on the left, was made in 1822 and was called the difference machine, and was made by Charles Babbage. This computer does not resemble what the computer today looks like, but other computers that came leading after continued to build on the idea and contain traces of a modern-day computer. For instance, the Z1, which is shown on the right, is the first programmable computer which functioned like a modern computer. After that came the Turing machine, which was built in 1936 by Alan Turing, and was able to actually print symbols and carry out tasks like a person, and gave us the fundamentals for the computer as we see today. So that's all for the intro to the computers, and it was very basic, but I will continue to build on this throughout the videos. And here are just a couple of my citations. Okay, so here are just a few more citations. And I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot. See you next time. Bye!